Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Okcoin. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Okcoin is part of OK Group, which is also the holding company for the OKX exchange. Okcoin was founded in 2013 by Starzoo, and it has more than 1 million clients globally from over 190 countries. It is a globally licensed, low-cost exchange with offices in San Francisco, Miami, Malta, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Japan. The OKX exchange is one of the oldest crypto exchanges in the world and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide, but it is inaccessible to American citizens, which is why Okcoin was launched. Okcoin uses DeFi technology to reward its clients through staking programs, and there are currently more than 15 cryptocurrencies and altcoins that you can stake on this exchange. Okcoin offers a beginner-friendly mobile application, and you can also use this application to stake your cryptocurrencies and earn interest on them. The Okcoin mobile application makes it easy to manage your accounts, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, do currency conversions, and make deposits and withdrawals. This application can also be used to track your performance and monitor your portfolio. And you can also automate your portfolio so that it automatically buys cryptocurrencies for you. You can download the Okcoin application for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. The OKB token is native to the OKX platform. However, unfortunately, it is not available on the Okcoin exchange, and we suspect that this token is not listed on most other US cryptocurrency exchanges. However, if you are interested and would like to learn more about the OKB token, you can check out our OKX Review for Beginners video, where we covered the OKX exchange, all the information about the OKB token, and much more. Before you can start trading or staking on Okcoin, you need to create an account. You can easily create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, open the Okcoin homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Next, enter your email address and don't forget to choose a strong password for your account. Then verify your email address, and once your account is verified and set up, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Okcoin does not offer a proprietary wallet, so we would recommend using one of these third-party wallets. You can use Trust Wallet, which is free to download and use. It supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets that can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. You can also use the MetaMask software wallet, which can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Alternatively, we would recommend also using Ledger, which is a hardware wallet that is available in the Nano S and Nano X models. You can use the Ledger Live application to buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The wallet you choose will depend on your security requirements and the type of tokens you would like to store. But these wallets are some of the safest wallets that you can use. In order to buy cryptocurrencies on Okcoin, create an account and click on the Prices tab to see real-time price changes and the latest prices and market cap values for all the supported cryptocurrencies. Or you can hover your cursor over the Features tab and click on Trade. You can also easily buy cryptocurrencies with the Okcoin mobile application. Once you have chosen your wallet and your account is set up, if you require assistance with anything else, you can easily contact the Okcoin customer support team, and you can reach them directly via live chat. We would also recommend visiting the Help Center to view guides and tutorials on creating and managing your account, making deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you would need to know about the platform and its products. So, what do we like about Okcoin? Okcoin is one of the oldest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and is one of the few exchanges that are available in the United States. The Okcoin platforms are easy to use, and you can earn passive income by staking your cryptocurrencies instead of selling the crypto that you are not currently using. If you are interested, be sure to open your Okcoin account today to get a head start on building your crypto portfolio and trade with one of the safest exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Okcoin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.